3 baking soda benefits for the stomach. 3 health benefits of baking soda. Baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate, is a chemical salt that is commonly used for baking, deodorizing, and cleaning. Additionally, another lesser-known purpose of baking soda is for providing relief from various ailments. Mixing baking soda with water or other ingredients and drinking it can offer several healing benefits to your health, especially when the baking soda water is consumed on an empty stomach. In this video, we will discuss 3 of the most important benefits of baking soda for treating stomach ailments. 1. Use baking soda water as an antacid. Acid reflux is a condition which refers to the backflow of your stomach acids into your esophagus, and it is characterized by a burning sensation in your throat. By drinking baking soda water, the pH levels of your stomach will be neutralized, like what antacids do. Moreover, baking soda water increases burping to eliminate the excess gas in your stomach. You can treat acid reflux, heartburn, and bloating by drinking a glass of water mixed with a teaspoon of baking soda. 2. Baking soda can cleanse your digestive system. Drinking lemon juice with baking soda can cleanse your digestive tract and balance the pH levels of your stomach. To make the solution, get a clean jar, 1 quart. Pour the juice of 1 lemon, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and fill the jar with water. Cover the container and store it overnight. In the morning, drink a glass of this solution on an empty stomach, and then drink another glass before bedtime. 3. Baking soda water minimizes ulcer pain. For those with ulcers, baking soda water can also be used for pain relief. As mentioned earlier, baking soda can neutralize the stomach acids. Hence, mixing 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda with a glass of water and drinking it can reduce the adverse symptoms. Why drinking baking soda is beneficial. When you sleep at night, your body works to clean itself. Hence, your urine is more acidic during the morning, and the pH of your saliva ranges from 7 to 7.4 before consuming anything. This will further go up throughout the day. Therefore, drinking baking soda water aids in keeping the pH balance and can improve your digestion. For best results, it is recommended to consume baking soda water on an empty stomach and twice a day. And the cherry on top, this effective home remedy is not only inexpensive, but also doesn't have any harmful side effects. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.